Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba Michael Karsenteo habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club mentakasngi ka South Tarik ubanai rempang arajar arpulai hadin ba uladu ya ke tiket naga seng BJP ula shim ya karai banya kun kumu kurtong shimet hagani ke election ka banwan haba keren hagani ka sngi ula pen pauru ya ka daw ba udu ya ke tiket dai na ka daw ba ulawan ra ya ka mat haga baya dai bat ka jingthit da ka pisa banyo tiket Shushu haba keren nagini kasngi ni kalyang jong ba Michael ula ong ba ka tiket menta ka dan hakikti jong kipat ba baru ula ong ru ba ka ka ba jalong ha ka jingim jong umenta upat ba unsa jubab ha ka arpo hunyo tarik ubanai rempang ula pen pauru ba udon ka jing artatin ban yo tiket hadin ka jingi kendu ulang bat kinong elam henry wala kataru uklem ken randin bat ula rai banyak kun bet kumukurtong shimet Shushu uba Michael ula yaro ru iki nong trei jong u ki bala trei shitom paru la ongru badai lengba ka jing e jong ki pat ba baki ailat ban long uta unong elam jong ki ula ongru la da ka jing e trei lang ka yai rengkat artatin ban jam ha ka negi election ka banwan
tengah sngo ban ong ayu pat ba un rai kata ayu pat ba un sim ya ka jing start ka jong pat ba un sim ya ka rai kani ka dikasian ka baningkong ngatrai bahak election ka jela jongi bangidan arngut ki aspiring candidates arngut kita ki papan tiket kia trelang iwe na peding kita lele di MDC jong ka jiao te habangi la ya trelang kumno kandang long ba ka parti ekonomi i ya kata ka effort jongi te kendian nga kwa ban pensai halor ka to ka bami ya ka kot bor menen ka bakren chapang kata ka baseless allegation ka banga ngares house nam ar hajar kat kendai apa ka parti ti kumang ala ong mene hang ning idon i chairman jong ka disciplinary committee ka bala set up da ka parti BJP ini yang hang ni kum utau chairman jong ka disciplinary committee haus nam arajar kat kendai kumbang ngitip ngami ngala yele ya ka election hapring naka arajar kat rang ala yele na ka parti BJP no umsting constituency ti ngaklem ngam kwa bangan say ya kini show pat ba ndrei hakajing bambansi bat hakajing sosi bakajing kendit ke jonga bangai ia ke kot kubor menen ngambansi bangan wan cupai ba bangan pensai halor ke boro ngalong ubri ubelong disiplin naka parti hadin bang res ya ketu ke isu kalong ke jingres kadai ke internal meeting ke jongi jong ke parti kadai hapok ke state executive committee meeting kaba no one from outside nagi beri benabar menu kimdan gidan tangki party member ban ngala res bakal don kata ke jingsim pisa nanga ban ay ke tiket tiga pisa ka banga ngasiw in total ru kumba kadon hakene ka report ka ba kila submit napo ka disciplinary committee ka de live pusaulak ngasiw ya ke tiket haka to kapor te hadin mangalaris ya kene ke issue yang kila ada ka show cause notice ba hadin ba kila ay ka show cause notice ngala haban report siapa ka disciplinary committee but chairman jang disciplinary committee idai ba bakuti goan kai beran hang ni te sistem kila bampor ban penkre ya kata ka report but hadin ba kila penkre ya report yang kila exonerate mo lani kila pelat ngo anak kata but kila ay yang kani ka sithi ka ba upat ba ula ban pule ngan sa ay si copy ya ka press hagani ka sithi latho clearly ba in short you are exonerated by the disciplinary committee completely mo kamot ngalalat nga kata but hang ni latho du ba ladon ka exchange of money ladon ka jing ka shimpisa na ki armut kinong yalam jong ka party u president jong ka party u barem baru general secretary jong ka party u barem u bahak ni ka report ka latho
for crucifying anybody. If he has not done work, if he has done some indisciplined thing, yes, I can understand that. But that has never been so. He has been working very hard. Sometimes he used to call me in some of his expeditions during the COVID time. He went to the Punjabi Patti, he went to Anupchand Lane, he went to this Pinewood staff quarters, all that. And I have visited him at that time. Excellent work he was doing. So he was an honest individual. And the question is that I did not know Michael also, very frankly speaking, before that. And that's all about I have to say about it. Absolutely. And it was proved by me. It's not the question of only my charge. I have proved it, that it was cash or ticket. No,
No, they are not with the party. They are not holding any post in the party. I don't. We cannot say what post they are holding in the party, but it was the ex-president of the party, and one was the previous general secretary, who is now also maybe, as I roughly know, he is a member of the national team. But the thing is that what we saw yesterday in the press, that one of the reason that we did not get shortlisted for the ticket was because we raised up this issue of cash for scam. See, as we all know, we are all in the same country, and I am a fan of Modi ji, and Modi said, "Na khayega na khane dunga." Will not, it's corruption-free party, a corruption-free government. So when they have took this much of money to give tickets, it was my duty as an honest party man to bring up this issue in a closed door meeting of the party. I was approached by the press so many times, some of you are among here, to give an interview many years ago about what happened to me, bring out the evidence, give out the proof, but I never shame my party. I have never gone to the press to bring shame to the party, to tell them and to give all my proof to the press. I have never done that. But today, when they have denied the ticket based on that, as a human being, it hurt me. As a loyal party worker, I felt betrayed. So I want that the truth should come out. If they can do this to a person who worked very hard, day and day night, whenever they have any meetings here in BGP, I am one of the person who always attend, bring hundreds of my supporters, bring hundreds invested in the party work, and this is what they have done to me. So I want the people to understand. I am always loyal to the party. I will be loyal to the party. I respect the party, the ideologies of the party. But it seems that certain members in here do not want the party to grow further. So let this be our kind of awakening for the people of Meghalaya, for the people of Shillong, and for the people of North Shillong, that an honest party worker has been denied a ticket on such baseless allegations, which now I put to them on behalf of a proof that we have. Let the people judge. May the best man be selected to represent the 17 North constituency.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela